Okay. Good morning, ma'am. I have 10 questions for you if it's okay. You can answer it.
Yes.
Yeah, first is, what's your name?
Hi, I'm Myra Kay Ferret.
So, next question is, what cell phone did you use during that time?
So, during that time, sir, I only Oppo A5s, this one only that I use during that time. Ano ba yun?
Why did you use her personal belongings without her permission?
I know that it is not the right to use her personal belongings, but I have a reason. That's why I need to.
Okay, third. Next one is, how much did you spend on that phone?
So, almost 13,000.
How did you know the victim?
I know the victim when we encountered last few days ago.
When did you notice the body of the victim?
I noticed the body of the victim, the house of the victim also.
How long does it take to get there?
I guess it's around 35 to 40 minutes.
Where were you when the crime happened?
That time I'm in the house of my friend who happened to be her neighbor.
So for the last question, how sure are you about your statement?
I'm pretty sure 100% because I saw and hear everything what happened during the crime happened. Today, sir, it's okay with you if I have 10 questions about the crime happened.
Yes. It's okay.
So first question is, where was the crime committed?
It happened 3 blocks from our house.
Second question, who is the victim?
The victim is my cousin.
3. When the crime happened, do you still remember who are involved?
No, don't have any idea.
4. Do you have an idea why should the crime committed?
No, don't have any.
When the crime happened, what did you do?
I was cleaning our yard at that time.
Okay, so what time or day when the crime happened?
Based on my tentative calculation, the crime happened right around 10 to 11 a.m.
So, can you describe now the body language of the suspect?
No, I can't.
What is the use of the suspect to commit crime?
I can't confirm the exact object or what kind of object it is, but I guess it's a bolo.
Is the suspect is your relatives?
Yes, she's my cousin.
Are you there when the crime happened?
No, I'm at my house.